This is a good time to talk about foreign buying of U.S. stocks because it's at an extreme that we show in the current issue of the Elliott Wave Financial Forecast. It's also something we've talked about a long time ago. In fact, it was way back in 1996 in this book, Prechter's Perspective, that we kind of formalized a discussion about it. To quote, Chapter 3, Society and the Grand Supercycle. Of course, no crowd buys stocks of other countries intelligently. This is Robert Prechter speaking. For decades, heavy foreign buying in U.S. stock market has served as an excellent indicator of major tops. Now let's look at a couple of charts that are in the latest issue of the Elliott Wave Financial Forecast on page 5, in fact. We've titled them, When the Grass Looks Greener, ... on the Other Side of the Pond. Second chart. Okay, as you can see, the first chart shows foreign buying as the bottom graph on the chart. Notice that what happened in 2000. 400 billion in stock purchases were made of U.S. stocks by foreigners. Then again in 2007, it was up over $1 trillion, a new extreme. You'll also notice what the Elliott Wave Financial Forecast said about these in the quotes. I won't quote them, but you can read them on your own. And then the latest episode. $1.5 trillion worth of stock was purchased in January of 2018, a new record. And we've stayed pretty much above that level or even higher through that point in time. As you can see on the next chart, it's created quite a large holdings by foreigners, 7.5 trillion. That's the foreign private holdings of U.S. stocks. What does this mean? Well, as we said in our quotes, in 2000 and again in 2007, it means that the market is overextended and due for a fall. The second chart shows 7.7 trillion in foreign holdings as of July. In Monday's STU, we updated it with figures from Morgan Stanley. They show that foreigners continue to pile into the U.S. stock market. As we know from history, that's not a good sign for the U.S. stock market.